Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Simon Jordan will be one of our monitoring spirits, Baba pundits for TalkSport. So Baba Konde where they discuss about Arsenal and whether Arsenal will compete or contest against Man City to win the title. So Baba can make one salient point. So Baba can talk say this Man City side where you see now overall, may not say for the Ballon d'Or, it's also Man City are the best team in the world, and Man City now be the most expensive setup ever for this dispensation we did now. So the current talk say Man City spent £1 billion, billion pounds to set up their squad. That is why if they fit bring out somebody for the first 11, they will put another person for the bench. They put like for like. You get people waiting for the bench can arguably start any match. You get. So the current talk say if Arsenal won't compete with Man City for the title, then Arsenal need to spend at least £1 billion. Spend the same money to put that our first 11 or put the same caliber of players we did there for the bench. You get. That is what we know, so if we compete with them. I don't know whether I agree with the line of thoughts of Simon Jordan, because me, I tend to disagree with him, because nobody must say you must spend £1 billion to compete with them. It depends on the will and the firepower of the team we get. Nobody must say all the 21 players or 22 players, everybody must be senior men. No, don't be so. Liverpool, when they compete against Man City, shey na everybody there for their squad, now be top-notch player. If Liverpool, if you check their bench, you see a lot of shit packers for that their bench. You get when Leicester win the league, should they spend £1 billion? So all this argument of say like no, I tend to disagree. When we win, it was not FA Cup. I went to which competition? I think it was FA Cup. We win. We not beat Man City. Shall we spend £1 billion there? So it's all about when you create your chances against them. Last season at the Emirates, I can still remember vividly the way we played Man City for that first half. Won't kill them. Rush hour. You get. If not be that mistake where Gabriel Magalhaes make just in a minute of 5 minutes, you just do some kind of errors like a human being now. This aggressive side took the better of him. So if not that mistake, she will no one kill them. So me, I personally, I don't buy that line of thought that we have to spend up to £1 billion before we can compete against Manchester. Who says that? So what do I think about this Simon Jordan the talk? Away from that, so Paul Messin don't come they predict say this match where Arsenal won't play. Say in the 3-1. Say na 3-1 you go end. Say Arsenal they play Wolves, and say Wolves don't dey very very depleted. When you check this Wolves side now, they don't sack their coach. Now caretaker manager, now dey there. Now the new coach go there for the sidelines. They watch us. The new coach go start after the World Cup. So he go there for the sidelines. They watch us, and they get a lot of first team regulars. So don't they out. Somebody like Diogo Costa where just sign, will come as a free agent. The guy no go play because he don't get red card, so he go miss the match against Arsenal. And why they sign am na because their own striker said they get injured. Like somebody like Raul Jimenez. Raul Jimenez is injured, is not even available. People like Pedro Neto, where they hold the team, we be say that be their own Saka version. That one self not even the Chiquinho self no dey. Now only people like maybe Ruben Neves, and they go there for the middle of the park. Like they are really suffering a lot. That's why they are languishing in the relegation zone. Well, this one our own advantage, because when you come to Arsenal, our own injury are probably Tomiyasu and Smith Rowe. I don't think we have any other person with the word to say if they injured, so we can select our best 11 ever. The normal way we put them, we'll select them, enter this match, and make sure so we win them, so that we'll go the World Cup break top of the EPL and everybody go refresh. By the time the EPL with the World Cup we don't day over, we should be having people like Tomiyasu back. No matter Tomiyasu go follow Japan go World Cup. We should be having people like Smith Rowe back and ready to play. That will sit my belly. They will go add more reinforcement for January. What the fire they go. And one of our senior community members, so that they call Efe the Great. Baba don't come any moment call the reason me say almost say they kidnap him for Edo State to say they kidnap him. Can't go forest for 4 days get, but God don't do him share. They don't release him, so he's hale and hearty. He don't recover. So say may Almighty God, may your name be praised. So the way you take let our brother they freed and rescued, no harm before them. Allah will show God thank you. So just a bless God for the goodness we don't show our brother. Moment I help me thank God for his life. Our Pep Guardiola said don't come outside from media setting where they ask him about the title race. So Babakole talk say Arsenal are there. Arsenal are title contenders this season. The last season, Arsenal no really follow. At the same time, Baba Kone talk say in the 2 years we in with Arteta did together, say he learn more from Arteta than Arteta learn from her. Because in they try to kill off that narrative, say na him build Arteta. No, he said that Arteta na his own man, he get his own mind. Even though we can't shy away from the fact, say na him help Arteta, let him know what he take to become a manager, because they were together, they won titles together. Arteta understand most of Arteta blueprint and football philosophy. It is similar to what they do for Man City. You see a Zinchenko coming in from fullback, come and add more bodies to the middle of the park. These are things they do in Man City. You see the way we are doing tiki-taka, doing high press, play high line. These are things they do in Man City. Like even Kevin De Bruyne, the other day when they interview and talk, say they see similarities of what them they do, like with what they do for Arsenal, because the thing what they do for Man City is a winning blueprint, and you have to follow that winning formula. So that formula now Arteta they follow. That is why it can't be like saying that the master and the servant or the apprentice, then the first and second. But we try to kill off that narrative, say Arteta is not a apprentice again. You get, but you don't get freedom already. Now if you go serve a guy, you don't settle, you don't free. You will call yourself apprentice again. No, now you say you don't be a guy. So two masters. Now you run the show now. So at the end of the day, we'll see whether Arteta will win the league. Pep Guardiola will win the league. It is possible. Anything can happen. Away from that, so Darren Ben said, don't come as I call the talk, say, see, if Arsenal really need Yuri Tillemans, say when they just carry £20 million, just go for Leicester home. So if they pay that money, Leicester will give the Yuri Tillemans. Say when they only let, so always like the delay, it's the Boston brain he gets. Now so all Arsenal fans, everybody wants us to sign that Yuri Tillemans. Yuri Tillemans' story will never run away. It will still be day here until probably after this transfer window and the next hell they will know where the guy finally did. Our talk sport will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't also come the talk say Arsenal is set to sign 3 players for January, and the first name on the list where they talk say Arsenal won't sign now Michalo Mudryk. So they talk say Arsenal need the guy as a cover for both Martinelli and Bukayo Saka. They need the guy as a very strong winger. And myself, I don't watch the guy for YouTube, and I don't watch him when they play live games, Champions League. I know they watch all those Ukraine League, Champions League, and they watch him. I see the guy they dazzle, the guy get pace. The guy is like the Gakpo raised to power 3. The guy is very good, skillful, speed star, everything you need in a modern day winger. In get time you get. That's why I asked, and the reason say, okay, this guy is the person who would like to come. The only problem we'll get for that Michalo deal be say the seller will be Shakhtar Donetsk. Then the reason say they need at least above £60-65 million. Now they will need to get them. Even though we are getting news from our sources like Miracle Di Natali, when they talk say Arsenal don't offer 60 million euros. But people like Fabrizio Romano talk say he never hear anything like that. So in sources never tell them. So even people like Daily Express, Daily Mail, Football London, Arsenal, AFC stuff, many monitoring spirit, they let us know say this offer is here to stay. Now only Fabrizio Romano they talk say in your sources never tell them say it don't happen like that. Get, but what you know be say Arsenal are working hard to get the guy. So that's what we know about this deal for now. So in all these things, I know say there's an atom of truth somewhere. We all know Arsenal really wants him. The boys really wants to join us. But let's see how it goes in January. Then away from this one, when we talk about Danilo or Palmeiras. So now when they go for Danilo, Palmeiras won't sell him. Even Palmeiras don't go Udinese, go look for their own midfielder they call Wallace. They don't say they won't carry Wallace to use and replace Danilo with the Arsenal bound. So for January, we are looking at giving them £20-22 million to get a Danilo onto our side. You get, so another person will say Arsenal the reason say they go like to sign. Away from that, this Yuri Tillemans own, everybody knows so one sign and also no be secrets don't take. Unless I forget, don't forget say Arsenal don't accept contract terms with Yuri Tillemans in the past too, and it is still there to stay. It never expire. Don't forget to. So let's move on. I'm even for the Belgian press, get for Belgium, all the media, sports media, they let us know say Yuri Tillemans don't agree a verbal contract with Arsenal, so he will join them for 2023. Now the question is this: when I saw this deal, the question I can ask myself is 2023. When in 2023? When exactly? Is it going to be in January or is it going to be at the end of the season? That one they don't really specify. But the contract say he don't already agree deal with us. We already know he has agreed personal terms, but so that say personal terms, that one are pen to paper and not be verbal. Then for them to now say he has accepted verbal agreements with Arsenal, that one said me and no say after this January and the summer any news about Yuri Telemans, he go die because if he no join us, he go join somebody else. So me, I for like me even join us for January to strengthen us, because we are now looking beyond the top 4. Even though we no one allow down, we are now looking beyond the top 4 and to see whether we fit win the league. So these are the major possibilities that can happen this season. So TalkSport don't let us know. So these are the 3 people we ask and they really say they fit sign. If they fit sign them, why you know we fit win the league now? Our Granit Xhaka sef don come outside come dey talk say make we no dey surprised say in dey score goals you get, because this guy don score 4 goals this season. He's giving assists. He don score more than the one wey he score for the past 3 seasons wey he don play for Arsenal. So they come dey talk say when he start football, na wetin Xhaka dey talk, say when he start football, he started as a striker. Before they come look in attributes, look in features, come say okay, I think you will be better suited to play as a midfielder. That's why they come convert him to a midfielder role. But now you know say in the past, they play one kind of static role. You know they do dynamic, you know they go forward. You get, they like to do reserve like all those olden days defensive midfielder. But now he's been given the freedom to move forward, because sometimes they play 4-1-4 formation. You see Xhaka all the time entering the box 18 all the time. I know the Xhaka get bullets for that leg. If he dey near that box 18, they free, wipe him, shot lie, go enter. So that's why the guy dey score goals well well. So Xhaka also dey talk say when they call the ask am say wetin give am that belief say this season is going to be a special season. So he come talk say na during pre-season, say see the way we dey knack anybody, that we just dey win Chelsea with high scoring margin, win the Emirates Cup, beat Sevilla who be La Liga strong weight, like we dey beat people anyhow. So that time we can't get the belief say this could be the season. We don't find Champions League for a very very long time, and the way all those kind Gabriel Jesus coming for the pre-season, for the perform beyond expectations, scoring goals are plenty. So you can feel say this could be the season. And the team bonding, the unity, in short, the kind of bonding and unity and togetherness we did for the team this season, since he come as I never see him, he never experience him. There are no egos in the team. Anybody they come, they drop your ego for house. If you forget to drop your ego for house before you enter London Colney, before you enter Arsenal first gate, you go drop them for the gates there. Then if you go house, you go carry them go. So he's talking about all the unity and togetherness in the team, and I'm very happy about that. I'm a familiar set himself. I think I call the talk about Fabio Vieira. When they talk, say make everybody dey patient with the guy. Don't forget that this guy entered Arsenal injured. You get, you no do pre-season, so we just get patience. Now what he make, if you remember during Manchester United, Ronaldo and Eric Ten Hag bench Ronaldo for the early part of the season because he missed pre-season. So but back on the talk say Vieira and I never really understand Arsenal philosophy, like the formation way Arteta is, because you don't really spend time for pre-season and they play every 3-4 days, so no time. How many training sessions did they even get? So the guy never really play for the EPL. It can't be like say when they disappoint us, because we had high expectations for him. Onto what he do for Porto, Papa gives them 16 assists now. So for here, how many assists, how many goals don't score? Even Arteta call the talk say in they unlucky in front of goal. Say they happen like that. But all the same, more patience with the guy. He needs adaptation. That's what Arteta said. Adaptation now the guy needs. Then this World Cup break now will help the guy adapt properly, because we are going to Dubai. We'll do more adaptation, do more training, you get, to make sure we are fit, so that as boys they come out for the World Cup, they're going to join us for Dubai. Then if they still stay there to win, fine and good. Then after the World Cup, we'll get some kind second pre-season friendly, because this is like a pre-season. We'll get some kind friendly who will prepare us for the second stanza of the league. Let's see how it goes. At the same time, Arteta when they ask Arsenal players, say they then think of a way, get a technical way to protect Saka from different fouls, because he got to talk say as Saka they attract many fouls from different players. And the sad part be say as Saka gets better in football, many defenders will plan on how they will stop him. Sometimes like 2 or 3 people now go one mark him at the same time. They go kick him, get, and all those kicking, it no be sack of Garina. Say before you know, you go get injury or you go dey weak, all those legs will come the pain. So you go look for a tactical way to ensure that they protect him from all these kind of threats. Even though, in my opinion, no, I don't think you can even do that. Get the kicking are continuous. Gabriel Jesus, not only Martinelli himself, they know they really they kick Martinelli, but Saka, I don't know why they always kick that guy. Maybe now because Martinelli get one kind of pace, if he don't move. So no, you know if you see him kick. At the same time, Arteta when they talk say make the players no go dey think of the fact that they want avoid injury before the World Cup. But this our Wolves game, no one hear story. Say maybe they give you 50-50, but you no one come put body onto say you no one make your leg break or you no one get one injury because all your mind there for the World Cup. So maybe they don't do like that. So you give them advance warning. And myself, I don't talk this in the past. Say this is going to be a dicey thing, not just Arsenal. all the EPL teams. People like Erling Haaland when they go World Cup, I don't get anything to fear. But some kind of stars, people like a Gundogan, some kind of people now they go to fear say, one man doesn't go to pull body, maybe they don't go give me injury. Because if you get injury now, we go keep it like 3 weeks out. Don't be so with that too. I want to go player. So that's one thing so players will think, but I think I don't come out and call it debunk all those kinds of say, come out time for your mind. Nobody think about injury before the World Cup. Come out time for your mind. Play your normal game. Make sure you collect 3 points and let's stay at the top of the table. So I want to enter match of the day, Wolves versus Arsenal. So today Wolves go host Arsenal at the Molineux Stadium. I want to run check their head-to-head. For the last 5 games for here, Arsenal win 3 and then lose 2. On my last season we win 1-0 for here. See these Wolves, we already know say they're toothless and they miss a lot of players, first team players, and they miss them again. So this match, no too think I expect us to take all 3 points. My prediction for this match is 2-0. Let me know what to be your own prediction as this match will to start later today. I will also do some match review and give a pre-match analysis and let you know how everything goes. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you'll get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So it's CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.